A relay is an electrically operated switch that uses an electromagnet to mechanically operate a switch. It allows a low power signal to control a larger power circuit. Here's how it works. 1. Basic components. A relay typically consists of an electromagnet coil, an armature, a movable metal lever, a spring, and a set of contacts, the switch. 2. Operating principle. Energizing the coil. When an electrical current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field. Movement of the armature. The magnetic field pulls the armature toward the coil, which either opens or closes the contacts depending on the relay design, normally open or normally closed. Switching the circuit. This action can either complete a circuit, allowing current to flow, or break a circuit, stopping current flow. 3. Types of relays. There are several types, including electromagnetic relays, solid-state relays, and thermal relays, each designed for different applications. 4. Applications. Relays are used in various applications, such as controlling motors, lights, alarms, and other electrical devices. They are essential in automation, safety systems, and remote control circuits. Overall, relays provide isolation between the control circuit and the high power circuit, protecting sensitive components from high voltage or current. 5. Relay types based on operation. Electromechanical relay, EMR, uses a physical movement of the armature to open or close contacts. These are the most common types of relays. Solid state relay, SSR. Unlike EMR, SSRs have no moving parts. Instead, they use semiconductor components like transistors to switch the circuit. They offer faster switching times, longer life due to the lack of mechanical wear, and silent operation. Reed relay. A small relay that uses a pair of magnetic reeds enclosed in a glass tube, typically used in smaller and more sensitive circuits. 6. Contact configurations. Normally open, NO. In a normally open relay, the circuit is open when the relay is de-energized. When the relay is energized, the contacts close, completing the circuit. Normally closed, NC. In a normally closed relay, the circuit is closed on when the relay is de-energized, and the contacts open off when the relay is energized. Changeover or double throw, DPDT. This type of relay switches between two circuits, often used for more complex switching. 7. Key parameters of relays. Coil voltage, the voltage required to energize the relay's coil and actuate the switch. It can vary based on the type of relay, from low voltage, e.g. 5 volts DC, to high voltage, e.g. 230 volts AC. Contact rating, the maximum voltage and current that the relay contacts can safely handle when switching a load. Switching speed, relays have different response times, from milliseconds for mechanical relays to microseconds for solid-state relays. Isolation, relays provide electrical isolation between the control signal, low power, and the load, high power, which is important for protecting sensitive electronic devices from high voltage surges.